guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time stopping by and you are watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I'm going to be creating a farmhouse type of DIY out of this second-hand picture frame that I had actually gotten off a friend who had picked it up at a thrift store and she was no longer using it. I think she had mentioned it was $7. But it is secondhand to me nevertheless. This video is also part of a challenge, open challenge, hosted by Yvonne from Ginger Chick Rehab and Yanni and Diane over at Decor Easy. So make sure you go check out both of these, all three of these ladies. So 2 channels, 3 ladies. I will have their channels linked down below. And because this is an open invite, there of course will be a playlist for tons of different inspirations for your home decor DIYs or just for decorating your home. There are some rules that we are supposed to be following. So the challenge is called Second Hand DIY Home Decor Animal Edition, and there are simple rules. We are supposed to be subscribed to both channels. I have been for a long time, for a while I mean. Then I'm supposed to create something DIY and use something second-hand, thrifted, giving, free, found, etc. That's what I'm using, and include a farm animal or what you consider a farm animal. So I will be creating, I had found an inspiration on Pinterest and I'm going to try and recreate it, but we'll see how that works. Hopefully I can. So it's gonna be simple, but it's gonna be, I know it's gonna be involved to get this removed because this is like 2-dimensional. So I'm going to try and remove this without damaging, but I might have to replace the backing. I love the color of this, so I think I'm just going to keep that because I love how farmhousey color it is. So on the back, as you can see, it is a picture frame kind of thing. So I'm going to remove this just so I don't damage the frame. So I'm gonna set the frame aside, and I can see there are some staples here, so I'm going to try and pop those out. I'm gonna try and get in here and pop these out. What you putting in? All right, so that was a lot of elbow grease, but I got them all out. Let's just see if I can actually separate the 2 pieces. Oh, there we go. Came right off. So I'm just going to, I'm not sure if I'm gonna fill this up because it's not really wood, it's more of a cardboard. So I'm going to paint it and see what I think how the holes are showing up, because they are very small, but they might bother me. So I'm gonna paint it first, 1 coat, and then go from there. Because I'm using the Rust-Oleum white, it is a thicker paint, so it might just go right into the holes. That's what I thought. It just goes right in.
Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a star.
So this will need for sure 1 more coat, maybe even a 2nd coat, 3rd coat I mean.
There must be another way, there must be conscious, different things in different ways, there must be love.
so I'll come back once I applied all the coats.
Faith has got to come my way.
So while that's drying, I'm going to cut out my cow because I'm going to Mod Podge my cow on here. So here it is, and I just searched up cow head silhouette and then just printed out the image. So I'm going to try and cut it as close as possible. For the cow, I'm going to use my Mod Podge for the bottom and the top. And I'm going to try and do the writing myself, and I'm using my favorite Sharpie water-based paint marker in black. I might write it out with pencil first and then just go over it with a marker. Okay, so it had some time to dry. It's dry now, and I'm going to put Mod Podge. Now I'm going to write home is where the herd is. I'm going to use my pencil.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain.
Okay, I like the way this looks, so I'm going to fill in now with the marker.
Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
That's it. Now I'm going to put it back in the frame. I really like the way this turned out.
Ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
I'm going to show you how it looks all hung up. So here it is. I haven't actually hung it up. I just have it on the side table. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I think it'll be a great addition to any farmhouse decor. And it was fairly simple to make. So I'd like to thank Yvonne, Yanni, and Dan for hosting this challenge. And if you're stopping by my channel from any of their channels, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing, sticking around. I do farmhouse type of DIYs often, so there might be something that you'd be interested in. I would like to say thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.